What is multi-touch attribution? Hi, my name is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. What is multi-touch attribution? Well, first of all, one-touch attribution is when people see your ad on Facebook, for instance, and they click on it and they buy right away. But that actually rarely happens, and definitely only when it's a low-ticket product. If it's a little bit higher ticket product, then people need to see it several times, and also even sometimes with lower ticket products. So multi-touch attribution is when Facebook can register that maybe people see your ad first time on Facebook, they just look at it, then maybe they see it again on Instagram, and maybe a couple of days later they Google your brand and look at it on Google and maybe purchase there, or maybe even later again. Maybe they see it on Facebook again and then they purchase. But Facebook can keep track of that, or even better, you can have, there's different tools that can help you keep track of that, because it is a little bit messy. There's a tool called attribution, for instance, that can help you keep track of that, because it's important to know your buyer's journey to optimize your ads. Comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Share it with your friends and click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. And also down in the description, there's a free ebook called Mastering Social Media Marketing for Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. You can go ahead and download that. It's completely free. Also, please join our free Facebook group, Facebook Advertising for Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs, also link in the description. And if you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in Facebook and Instagram ads for coaches and consultants. You can book a call with me and my team to learn more about it. And take care. Bye.